Hello, welcome back to my channel. I am back today with a haul video. Excuse me, I got a couple things from Amazon. And then I ordered an order from a new company that I've never ordered from before. It's called Ramus. Let's see. Ramus and Company. And it's ramusandcompany.com. I will leave their website down in the description. But they're a stationery shop, and I ordered some notepads and things. But first, from Amazon, I've been looking for a makeup setting spray that stays on all day long, as well as like doesn't transfer your makeup. I hate it when I give Greg a hug and rub my cheek on him or something and he gets makeup on him. So I found this. It is 3 times Booster Makeup Fixer by Keybo. It is from Amazon. I will link it down below in the description. And this is supposed to, it says shake well, hold 8 to 10 inches from face, and mist 2 to 3 times evenly. It's supposed to last all day long. Semi-matte, glowy finish as if your skin is photoshopped. Enhanced long-lasting effect of the makeup. And I already tried it. I sprayed it on. I think it's gonna work well. Like, I can feel like I have something. Not that I have something on my face, but you can tell you put something on your face. And it says it doesn't have a scent, but it does have a little scent. But it's just a small little floral scent. Maybe I can smell a little bit of rose in it, but not much. So I'm going to try that. It was fairly inexpensive, $10 or $12. And then, I don't know if I told you, but I recently got a watch. We have our internet and our cell phones on, we go with T-Mobile. And I went in to get my screen fixed on my phone. Not my screen, but my screen protector was cracked. You can bring your phone in and get a screen protector anytime for free. So I got my screen protector fixed, and she said something about they were running a special for Labor Day where you can get the watch for free. Well, I have a Fossil smartwatch, and I haven't worn it in a long time. I've been wearing my ring, my smart ring. Well, they had the watch for free, so I had to pay for, like, the line, which is like $10 a month. So, so I got the $400 watch for free, but I purchased a matte green watchband. I love to change my watchband out. I like that this one is silver. This one is like colored, and you can see where it wears off. So I don't like that very much. Let me flip the light on. That might help me. But so you can see where the color gets worn off. But I ordered a watch band. I think it was $9.99. It's just like a rubbery silicone watch band. So I got those 2 things from Amazon. I will link them down below in case you have a Samsung Galaxy Watch. And then from Ramus. Yeah, Ramus and Company. First thing that I got was some, they call it masking tape, but it's washi tape. And I got this one, which is blue hydrangeas. I like to use it, pretty much I just use it in my journals and when I am kind of decorating an envelope to mail out. But that one is the blue hydrangeas. Can't hardly see it because it really blends into my table. So blue hydrangeas. And then I got a Somerset set of 4 rolls. And they are very summery. The only one that's not really summery is this one, which is teddy bears. But I don't mind that. Let's see if I can set them up so you can see them. This one is people swimming. It's kind of a patchwork type thing, I think. This one is some floral. And then this one is like school or crafty. So those are the washi tapes I got. I got this boxed set of, it's called a cottage note carton. You get 4 illustrations of 200 sheets. I hate carrying the box up because you could probably use this in, I could probably use this in my journal. There, that's not too bad. But I believe, I don't know if these are sticky notes. They're actually, or just note, oh no, they're just note cards. Or note paper. But you get the cottage windows. The front of the cottage, like the cottage door and the fence. You get some floral. And then you get a gingham. So super pretty. Just some note paper. So I could just set this box on my desk, or I probably actually have something to put the note paper in so that I can use the box. Let's see if I can get it down in there again. There is that. And then I did get some sticky notes. I don't want to shake the table or the camera. Move that back a little. So the sticky notes that I got, and they call them stickies, was the blue and white striped shirt. I got this little Bonnie and gingham, so it has a bow and then the gingham on it. And then I got this cottage one. So super cute sticky notes. This one is called a pocketeer pad. I'm going to use it in my purse. There's nothing worse than throwing a notepad in your purse and it gets all messed up. Let's see if I can get this open. We had a really rough weekend. And of course it was the 4th of July. You'll have to let me know what you did for the 4th. We have a dog. She's a Chiweenie. And she absolutely hates the fireworks. She is terrified of them. We gave her Tramadol, which is her sleeping medicine. And then we gave her gabapentin, which is her anxiety medicine. It did nothing. She walked and ran around this house trying to hide for 3 days straight. We live in a different neighborhood. We're no longer on housing assistance. So the neighborhood we live in, people are more well off and they buy a lot of fireworks and they set them off for 3 days. And our dog suffered greatly. So yeah, it's been a rough weekend. But this is a pocketeer pad. It kind of has a I don't even know how to say it. A raised, almost embossed feeling to it. You can kind of see it on the back. But you get the woman swimming, and then, you know, it covers. But each page is kind of like that. You get the pool with the float. There's another pool, and then it all repeats again. So I'm going to stick that in my purse. This one is called Together. It is a square notepad. Not sticky notes, just a notepad. But is the perfect size to write a to-do list. And it just has a couple sitting in Adirondack chairs holding hands. So super cute. And then I got this one, which is called the Beach Huts notepad. And it is just a bunch of beach huts. It's on the beach. You got some seagulls, the sand, and you can see the ocean in the background, as well as the sky. Let me take it out of the package so you can see it better. There's not a glare. So there is that. But that is my haul from Ramus and Company. It is just ramusandcompany.com. I will leave that website down below for you. I will leave the links to the products I got from Amazon. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video.